Hi guys, in our previous video, we have seen that how to use material UI icons in our React application. And in today's tutorial, we will see how to use material UI components in our React application. So first of all, let me show you the terminal. Just type Ctrl+J. The terminal is opened. And here I am going to close that terminal basically. Clear terminal. And here first of all I have to move in our Google Chrome, and inside our Google Chrome I have to type here material UI, don't write icons, just write material UI. And here you will see basically this is nothing but just looking like a bootstrap. So I am just clicking here get started. So first of all I have to move in our installation, and for installation we have to install default installation basically. I have copied that path, that npm install material and so on. So I am going to paste all the value here. What happened, let me check. Let me first of all clear all the terminal, and here I have to use, this is not opening, just I have minimized and again going to open it. This is my system setting. So first of all let me remove first Control V, and here just press enter, and you will see that material UI is basically going to install now. And here we have to install with styled components. I have to copy that path as well, and I have to paste it here in my terminal. Just press enter, and you can see that now it is also going to install in our local system. Just wait for the moment, it is taking some time. So now we have done our installation of material UI basically. So first of all we have to move in our React in our components, and you can see that there is a lot of components here. I don't gonna go through all these components in this single tutorial, so you can go through all these components by yourself. Let me see, is it opened or not till now? So all these two paths are installed basically. Now I have to start npm. Just press enter, and you will see that it is going to open in our local system, and in a short time it is opened in our local system. I was basically in our, let me show you the output, and you can see these were basically two icons. These were material UI icons that we have done in our previous video, and in today's video we will see basically React material UI components. And for components case I am just going to use here buttons instead of these icons. So let me move in our material UI. All these codes are available here. You can use anyone you want. So basically I have to use here the buttons. I'm going to type here button, and here I have also search bar. I can type any component that I need, and here I am going to take here what button to use. Let me see. I'm just going to take that text button, no, that outlined button, expand code, and here I have to use button. Control C, and just type Control J to minimize that terminal. And here we have to type, I don't need basically that icon now. I'm just going to type here button, so I'm taking it as separate, and here I have to write ink number. So I'm going to paste it again, and here I have to write dict number, and here I have to call these functions basically. On click, Control V, and here I have to type that function name. Just type Control C, and here you have to paste inside that button. So I'm going to remove these buttons basically, because we don't need these buttons now. I have used our material UI buttons. Control S, and let me move in our, and you can see that it is basically showing an error. What was the error? We have not imported anything related to these buttons. So first of all, I have to import these buttons. How to import? I'm just going to import these two values, and here I have to import. Control S, and let me move in our local system, and now you can see that these buttons are looking awesome, and it is just looking like a ripple. Wherever you click on the button, it is making a ripple from that point. So this is looking beautiful. I can change their outline as well, outline color and many things. So I was basically just going to show that how the material UI components we can use in our system, in our React application. So all these were buttons basically. You can see that it has a lot of built-in components. Let me show you. You can see we have these buttons group and checkboxes as well, and these checkboxes are looking awesome, and you can go through all these by yourself. I'm just going to show just one two components, not all. So this is all the components: rating, selector, slider, switches, and text field, and toggle button, transfer list. We have a lot of built-in components in our material UI, so you can go through all these components by yourself. So this was all about today. If you are still confused, you can ask me.